Oh yeah, YouTube. I threw in the mids today. I'm rocking just the six and a half. I think they are. Yeah, just the six and a half. I just threw those in the back doors just to see how they were gonna sound. You know, and they sound pretty good, man. And they made by Pyramid. Like I told y'all, everything I'm doing is gonna be Pyramid.
I worked them long nights to get a payday. Finally got paid, now I need shade and a vacate. That shit get still hate,
So I
so
got a
much
little bit
hate,
of
I need a decade.
down on the range.
Yeah, I'm Perrier. White girls politicking, that's the syrup.
I'm gonna have to go around this way. I wanted to see how good they sound from a distance.
Cause that's why I was born and raised. Okay. Yeah, it's prime time, my top back, this pimp game.
Yeah. I mean, they sound pretty good, man. I got them on a 717 1000. I'm gonna put them on a stronger amp though, and I'm gonna take the 717 1000 and just route that for my tweeters. Put all my tweeters on that, and I'm gonna go with me a 4-channel joint for. Matter of fact, I just really want to throw an amp on each door. That's what's gonna happen with this situation. I'm gonna throw an amp on each door. That's just the amp and the radio right now. Just something I just had to do a little something. Just to, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all.